Tonight, Brian and I are camping in northwest Montana. We're looking at Dickey Lake, North Dickey Lake campground. Not bad. Picnic tables, fire pit. There's a bathroom there. We have bathroom over there. Beautiful lake. Brian will go fishing. And there's a bear-proof trash can over there. Wow. Looks pretty cool. We'll take you guys for a walk soon. Get our little home for tonight set up. And we'll see you soon. Okay guys, let's get a quick look of our home for tonight. If you haven't met Bob, there's Bob. Got the curtains hiding the back. Then we come in here, there's the rest of our panel. Brian built that to separate the cab. We could always block the cat when we traveled. And even though there's a curtain, you're looking at our little bathroom if necessary. The inverter is in there. Have a lovely vent.
Max air fan.
Max air fan. This is our bed for tonight. We got our supplies. Thank you, Todd, for the bags. Howdy, y'all. Got our supplies for the evening. In here, I don't know if I showed you guys last time, this is a cabinet Brian built for me. Mountain House meals. There's a shower tent, shower pump.
Shower bag. Got a table we can pop
There's my little table for my desk. That's how I did work when I was on the road. And cooked on the road. As you can see, it's raining, but that's not going to stop us from having fun in nature. Got some nets I can fill some stuff in. We got a few in that one, extra lights. We built this backrest. We actually had the bed the other way when we traveled, so we could lean up against it. And under our bed is storage. Of course, plenty of water. There's a tarp, hiking bag, fishing bag. We have another charger back there. Butane stove, our foldable chairs, our foldable table, everything we need to have fun in nature. Alright, once it quits raining, I'll take you guys to the lake. See you later. Well, Mother Nature doesn't want to cooperate. That's fine, we'll work with her. I have a towel to dry off. I'm not supposed to cut through campsites, but the people who reserved this aren't here yet, so let's check out the lake. We have ways to dry off. All good. This one was reserved. For those of you who don't do campsites, a lot of places are first come, first serve. Or, a lot of places require reservation. We did this before 4th of July weekend for a reason. We are a big tourist state, and pretty soon definitely have to reserve. Weeks in advance, guys. Once 4th of July hits, between 4th of July and Labor Day, you think the traffic's bad now. This is a nice little, see, I wanted the site, but it said reserved, and we didn't reserve anything, so we had to look for the first come, first serve areas. Just so you know, and North Dickey Lake Campground, this one's only 16 bucks a night. We did pay $16. Brian's gonna go fishing. The rain's supposed to stop. Oh, there's like ducks. I scared the ducks. Alright, you want to see what the mountain... Oh, this is a nice little spot. Looking at Dickey Lake in northwest Montana on a rainy day. I apologize for the rain splatters. It should stop soon. Oh, it's alright. Nature's giving me a bath. Somebody's out there booting. Nice. Where'd my ducks go? Aren't they cute? Nice. Alright. Yeah, it's raining pretty good. Clouds look cool though. Alright, I should probably dry the lens of the camera off. And we'll see you guys when it stops raining a bit. Still sprinkling, not raining as bad as it was.
So we get to have a fire.
I'm about to grill some hot dogs, have some dinner. Hopefully the rain continues to slack off. We'll take you guys to Dickey Lake tonight. If not, we'll take you in the morning.
You know hot dogs aren't good for you, but who can argue with a hot dog cooked over a campfire? Come on, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Give me a thumbs up.
Yep, you have to have a hot dog if you're going camping. We got the cool little sticks we'll show out in a minute.
Maybe we'll show you a different way to make s'mores.
It's pretty peaceful out here.
Some crows flying around.
I was like, you hear the bird?
Sound like a crow. Could be a raven, I don't know. One of the two.
Nice little spot. I think temps right now are in the 50s. I'm actually in 2 sweatshirts.
Well, I'm
A
glad
little chilly.
Well, I'm glad it rained earlier because this other campsite behind us is like
There's no
right
one around.
up on us. There'd be smoke in their tent if they were here.
There's no one around right now, so we picked a great weekend to do it, even though it's raining. Next weekend's 4th of July.
Yeah.
Temps are going to be in the low 80s, upper 70s, sunny. Everybody and their mother will be here for the next 3 months. So let's enjoy a peaceful, even though it's been raining. I was able to sit comfortably in the van, get some videos edited while we watch the rain.
No internet connection though.
Yeah, we have no Wi-Fi, no data.
Not even cell service.
We cannot text anyone right now, and that's kind of nice.
It's not even a place we wanted to go, but
It was meant to
still
be,
no
I
cell
guess.
service here either. I know that first place we decided to go to had cell service, but this one don't either.
Pretty quiet. Alright guys, we'll bring you back when we get ready to cook our hot dogs.
Show them hot dog cooking.
Sanitizing our hot dog sticks.
We ain't used them in a while. Just make sure they get nice and hot. It don't matter if there's still black stuff left on it, but you kill all the bacteria, that's all that matters. And there's some red hot flames in this dude. Our first big campfire of the year! Yay! We have a small little camp thing at home that we use, but nothing like a big campfire.
Alright, I'm ready to go get our hot dogs. Be right back.
It's a beautiful campfire. Guess what we're getting ready to do? We're gonna cook something.
They're hot.
I know, don't give me the fucking tip of it. What is this one? Is she put it?
Don't touch.
Oh, yummy, yummy.
Oh.
Gotta love a campfire hot dog, guys. You know, hot dogs aren't great for you, but you at least gotta have one over a campfire if you're out camping. I don't know. She bought ballpark, but they look a little different than they used to. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but still, it's a hot dog over a campfire. You can't go wrong, right? Let's roast our hot dogs. It's better if you take your time though and just let it smoke, but I'm kind of in a hurry for one, so we're gonna put them down here in the heat. I could move that log and put them in the red hot coals, but I'm not in that big a hurry, I guess. How many of you like campfire hot dogs? Tell us in the comments. Do you even eat hot dogs? Some people won't even touch them. I don't know though. Just reminds me of camping in the woods with the family when I was younger.
I have to be in the mood for them, and I'm definitely in the mood when I'm camping.
Especially after just smelling the campfire. It's like, oh, it's time for a hot dog.
We're gonna cook our hot dogs, guys, and enjoy dinner. Hopefully we get you guys to the lake soon. It stops raining. Alright guys, time for some s'mores.
Yummy.
We have...
How do you make your s'mores? Let us know in the comments.
First we have our Jet Puff
That's
marshmallows.
the go-to.
This,
And most people use Hershey chocolate bars, but they just don't melt very good. So we're going to try something different.
we're going to do some Ghirardelli Squares milk chocolate caramel.
Oh, with caramel
on top of graham
inside.
crackers.
That should be yummy. Woo.
Gotta try something different.
Log just moved. Yeah.
Love a campfire.
Oh, look at he puffing up. He's looking pretty good.
We have our Ghirardelli Squares and our graham cracker.
Of course, you gotta get a little char on them.
He's got a
At
char.
least a little char.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
We did it! Oh, that's gonna be good.
Yummy.
Milk chocolate caramel. Oh my gosh.
Let's see how it tastes, guys. And I got my beautiful taste tester here again.
Oh
Let's see what she thinks. We've never tried it like this before.
We're gonna do the charred side.
But we figured the chocolate would melt better than a regular Hershey bar because it's too thick. What do you think? Does it get a thumbs up too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's got thumb lick too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's see what she looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that looks pretty good, guys. My turn now. But we'll see you later.
Good morning from Dickey Lake in northwest Montana. Still looks a little cloudy. Pretty quiet campground. Let's go check out the water. I wish the sun would come out. This water is so turquoise. The sun hits it. A beautiful area. There's a trail. We woke up to birds singing. Pretty steep. Even just watching the clouds. Good morning. I believe it's Saturday, June 28th. See the water? Clear. There's a little day use area. Have a good day, guys.